The Los Angeles Aqueduct is a 250-mile-long, artificially made waterway that diverts water from the Owens River and Owens Valley down to Los Angeles.
We wouldn't be here if this wasn't made in 1904. Like, this is what made Hollywood possible. This is what made us win World War II with all the airplane factories in Los Angeles. This is which is exciting, but then there's also like the flip side of like wanting to cry because this is the city taking what was the lands and taking it for human greed or expansion. And so like being here makes me excited, but it also makes me like sad as well.
What I get myself into.
And let me tell you, at this moment, I really didn't know what I got myself into. I didn't know that this project would take up the next 3 years of my life and would take 2 attempts to complete.
So right now we're walking on the Owens Lake bed. And what we're doing is we're going to the dust mitigation efforts and this monument that the Department of Water and Power made as a memorial for the lake.
A memorial. Memorials are for dead things. We're honoring the death of something.
Yeah.
You know, in the memorial, or at least even in visiting it, it's like we're going to a cemetery kind of.
So my long-term goal with making this bike route, riding the route, making this film, and ultimately publishing this route is to make this bike route something that is accessible for the public and can be used as an educational tool. I want people to take trips and ride their own bicycles from the intake down to the city of Los Angeles so that they can have a better understanding of where their water comes from, of the things that made the flourishing of Southern California and Los Angeles possible. I want people to not just read about history, I want people to experience history. I want people to work for their knowledge. I want them to feel the things, smell the smells, feel the environment in the same ways that a lot of the visionaries that built the aqueduct experienced back in the early 1900s. And it's my opinion that that is best done on a bicycle.